Hi naturals, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dima, and if you're new to this channel, if you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, kindly tap on that red subscription button on your interface to join my family. Also turn the bell icon on, that will notify you on our future uploads. In today's video, we are going to be making a powerful hair butter cream to help lock in moisture in your hair for long. This keeps moisture locked in your hair for days. Your hair needs moisture to thrive, so do not miss this. To begin, just as you can see, my mortar is ready to pound some goodness, and that goodness is bitter leaves. We are going to be pounding a handful of bitter leaves that we are going to be using for today's recipe. So after pounding, we are going to be infusing it in some oil to make our hair butter cream. The video on how I made this oil will be linked in my description box below or on my end screen. You will see it on my end screen or on the card that pops on the screen. I'll definitely be sharing the link so you guys can go see how I made that oil, because I'm not going to be wasting your time in this video. So for the butter we are going to be using is basically shea butter. I got this here in Abuja, Nigeria, in one of our local markets. For the proportion, we are making use of 100 grams of shea butter, 50 grams each in the container. So each of the containers contains 50 grams of shea butter. So in total, we've got 100 grams of shea butter. My next oil to use for this is jojoba oil. You can get this in any beauty supply stores near you. So for that, we are going to be making use of a tablespoon, because our oil that contains our bitter leaves already have got some oil in it. So we are not going to be powering this with so much oil. For the next oil that I'm going to be using is castor oil. Castor oil helps with hair thickness, and I'm sure you love this oil as well. Next, I lit my stove, poured some water in my pan, brought to a boil. Then I placed my oil containing the butter in it. Then I began stirring. Try to hasten the process, because we're basically trying to melt our shea butter. Try to hasten the process by using your spatula to dissolve the shea butter so that it can be fast, so that you don't over bleach or heat the oil, so that you don't kill all the ingredients. As soon as the oil melted, I covered the bowl and placed in my freezer because I wanted this to be fast. I put that in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, and before that it congealed. So you don't want this to stay too long in the freezer, so that you can be able to whip it. You just have to have this consistency that you can see in the video. So I began whipping using my hand mixer. So I whipped to a very fluffy butter. While I whip that, I'm going to run you through some background information about bitter leaves. Bitter leaves, aka Vennonia amygdalina, is a vegetable used for preparing the popular bitter leaf soup here in Nigeria. It is also known as onugbu, shiwaka, or ewuro by the Igbos, Hausas, and Yorubas in Nigeria. Although this plant has been around for hundreds of years, only a few know of its medicinal and healing properties. Bitter leaves, as the name implies, is actually a bitter plant whose leaves, extras, stems, and barks are used for culinary and medicinal and curative purposes. Vitamins in bitter leaf include vitamins A, C, E, vitamin B1, and B2. It has antimicrobial properties. It is a very common plant here in Africa. Ask your parents about the benefits of bitter leaf to the body. Bitter leaf is used to reduce fever, high blood pressure, reduce blood sugar levels, used as cure for diabetics, headaches, and some people even swear it's a good treatment for cancer. Here are some of the benefits for your hair. It makes your hair shine. It gives your hair weight and make it full, especially for your natural hair. It serves as detangler, it conditions the hair, it eliminates dandruff, very important. It gets rid of scalp diseases such as rashes, boils, itching, scalp ringworms, seborrheic dermatitis. After whipping into the smoothest and fluffiest butter there is, I had to transfer it into this container, which is from one of my products, and I had to wash it thoroughly and sterilize for use. So if you have containers like this, do not throw them away. You can wash them thoroughly and sterilize and use for your products. My camera is not doing justice to the fluffiness of this butter. This butter is super fluffy and absorbs really fast. I'm testing it out on my hand. Can you see how amazing this butter is? This hair butter will protect your hair from breakage, frizziness, and dryness. It will also lock in moisture in your hair for days. As you already know, you need a balance of moisture and protein for your hair to thrive. So moisture is not left out. So you need moisture in your hair, and this butter will help you lock in moisture in your hair for days. This butter cream will smoothen your hair cuticle, adding natural shine and softness without leaving your hair greasy or heavy. Great for styling. This butter can be used as a setting cream to create soft, smooth, and shiny two-strand twist and twist outs. I'm not going to be demonstrating how you should use this because as at the time that I made this butter, I was wearing a protective style, so I didn't demonstrate that. I'm so sorry about that. Or you can watch this clip of me flaunting my gorgeous mane. One day I shared something like this on Instagram after blowing out my hair. So one of you or somebody on my Instagram page was like, did you relax your hair? No. Whenever you blow out your natural hair or you get a silk press, your hair will look so sleek and beautiful, especially if you're the type that care for your hair. So it will look as if it's relaxed. No, I'm not relaxed. I actually blew out my hair here. Guys, I've been raving about these bitter leaves for a while now, and I've got a couple of videos shared already on these bitter leaves. I think this is the 4th or 5th one. I'm not sure because I've lost count. If you haven't watched them, kindly check on the card that pops up on the screen while you're watching to see some of these videos. Go and watch them before you watch these. I have more coming up. Do not miss this series. If you have watched any of the videos, kindly comment hi in the comment section below. For those of you in the diaspora or in the abroad, kindly head on Amazon. You will see the dried version. Type bitter leaves on the search bar and it will pop up. You will get either the powder or the dried leaves. Go ahead and infuse it in oil, or go ahead and steep it and use as your hairspray. Amazing stuff. You will definitely thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched up to this point, kindly comment hi for me in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one coming up.